Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my Power BI projects tutorial. In this tutorial, we will create a report that contains data of a company that sells delicious pizza. Okay, so this is a pizza franchise that sells different type of pizza, and we have around 12 days of data. First file we have this branch data. So in this branch data, we have the branches or we have branch data that tells us where are the branches, the data like the California, Nevada, Origin, Arizona, okay, etc., and the manager name that are responsible for each uh, state of this company, okay, uh, and the location of this or the here this will be the country, okay, USA, which country the branches are located at. And okay, our next file is going to daily sales target. So here this is contain this data set contains a date and the target of the each day, okay, the target sales amount of each day. And our third, okay, our third data set is sales data. Here, this dataset contains the date, branches, visa type, quantity, time range, prices, etc. Okay, so this column, price column, is very important for our further analysis. Uh, okay, so and we have last sales target. So here, okay, so this actually this dataset is uh, we will not consider this dataset. So for now, just forget about it. And the data you saw here, it just a raw data, it doesn't make any sense. We are going to end up doing like this. Here we are gonna create a report that is gonna show us how much each state is selling, and um, here and what kind of pizza are selling most, okay. And here the manager or the owner can like say this is the total sales, this is the slicer that by which each of the states sales can be calculated, like this is the sales amount by state. And in which state the sales amount is maximum, or and here sales amount by pizza type, which kind of pizza, what kind of pizza is selling most, okay. uh, Here you can find the manager name and the sales amount and the percentage of total, okay, uh, for uh, the each manager, okay, the contribution of the manager. And here the target and sales amount by month and day, okay. So here we can find the everyday details of sales amount and target sales. And this is slicer, which is very important because if we want to see for a specific state, like let's say Arizona, here, so we can click there, and only the data or the analysis for Arizona will be showing here. Like in Arizona, the chicken ball is the lowest sales, has the lowest sales amount, and the chicken swap has the maximum sales amount, okay. Like, and for California, uh, the chicken ball is the sales amount of chicken ball is greater than Arizona, okay. And the maximum sales amount is for hot pepper, okay. And here uh, and here the uh, for Arizona store, Arizona state, the manager contribution or uh, the sales amount under this manager is 39 point almost 39 thousand dollar. Okay, but for California this is for this specific manager, under this specific manager the sales amount is 37.8K. Okay, and here are the total sales of in Arizona the total sales is 39K, and California the total sales is 37K. Okay, here, and the overall sales is 189.48 thousand dollars. So this is how we can analyze this delicious pizza dashboard. So we'll be creating this dashboard in this tutorial. So let's get to it. Okay, so first let's import the data set. Here you'll import these first three data set. So let's import the first one and select this table and click transform data, and here we will perform data cleaning and data preprocessing part. You can see that Power BI has assumed this the header of this table as column 1, column 2, column 3. So we need to change this to the we need to use the first row as header. So we'll click on this, and the table headers will set as branch manager and manager one. So we need to change this column name as country. Okay, and fine. Now we'll import our next data set, which is daily sales target. Select this table and click OK. Okay, and we'll put our third data set, sales data. Okay, select this table, click OK. Okay, so in this table, we'll add a column. We will add a column named sales amount. Okay, so for this, we need to go to add column tab and click on new custom column, and here we need to name this as sales amount or total sales. Okay, sales amount, and will the formula will be the quantity uh, times price. Okay, so this will be our new uh, column. Now we'll change the data format here. We'll give it a fixed decimal number. Okay, and then we'll change this column name branch to states. Okay, state. Okay, and and we are good to go, I think. So okay, everything is fine. Now click on this close and apply button. Okay, now the modified uh, dataset will be imported in this uh, dashboard. So first insert a background image. So our canvas is going page, page a canvas background, and browse the background. Okay, and here we'll reduce this transparency to 0%. Okay, now let's insert uh, text box. Here we'll write uh, delicious pizza or dashboard name. Okay, and here you can change the size of this text. Let's give it 36. Okay, I will change it from here. uh, I'll give title on, and I'll say the title is delicious pizza, and sorry, pizza. Okay, and here I'll increase the text size and to let's say 40, and here uh, and uh, I'll say the text color. First of all, I'll remove the background. I'll turn off the background, and I'll set the uh, text color to white. Okay, okay, it's nice. It looks nice now. Now I'll insert a logo of the company. Okay, so insert image. I'll insert image and this logo. Here I'll set this to this position. Okay. Now let's insert a card where the total sales or the sales amount will be shown. So let's format this card. First of all, turn off the background, and uh, here I'll remove this label, and I will insert a title here. The title will be total sales, and okay, here I'll set this. I'll increase the text size to let's say 25, 26. Okay, and here I will change this the color of this category value to white. Okay, and here uh, Now select here the sales amount as also legend uh, as okay. So this is our ultimate visualization. Okay, this is let's change this title as sales amount, only sales amount by state. Sales amount by state. Okay. And I select that. Let's say what happened here. Okay, it is set as a grayscale. Okay, and then okay, everything is fine. This map. Okay, so before going further, I want to change something to my canvas. Like I want to change the width and height. Okay, so here I'll set as custom canvas setting, and the type is custom. And here I'll set I can customize the height and width of my uh, dashboard. Okay, or this report. So if I set this to 1000, and here I set this if I width as I set width as okay. Here's the width 1380 pixels. Okay, and set here to fit to page. Okay, okay. Now let's create a donut chart where I will be showing the manager uh, versus sales amount. Okay, okay, and let's format this donut chart. Here I want to show the legend as top center, and and uh, and to changing the data levels, detail levels. I want to show the all details levels. Okay, the manager name, the and how much sales amount earned by each manager. Okay, so, and here first of all I will remove the background. Okay, and here let's set the legend text color white, and then the slices or detail levels text color is white. Okay, great. Now change this title color as also white, and the alignment to center, and increase the size text size to let's say 18. Okay, okay, this is looking great. Now here I want to make this donut chart more futuristic, or looking more uh, creative. Okay, or attractive. Okay, to do so I will insert an image, this manager icon. Okay, so I'll insert this. I'll put this. I'll feed this icon into this hole. Okay, inside this donut chart to uh, give it a more futuristic view. Okay, okay, okay. This is looking great now. Okay, now we are next. We are going to show uh, sales amount by pizza type. So we'll show this into, let's say, to a bar chart. Here in x-axis, I want to show the sales amount, and in y-axis, I want to show the pizza type. Okay, okay. So let's give it a column chart instead of bar chart. Okay. Now let's change the color or use this format tab for this column chart. First of all, I'll remove the background and then I'll set the x-axis color as white, and also for y-axis uh, I'll increase the size, let's say, to 12 or 13. Okay, yeah, 13. Okay, and also do the same thing for x-axis values to 13. Okay, now uh, change this title as white, to the color to white, and here alignment, horizontal alignment to center, and increase the size to 18. Okay, here everything is good, and I want to change here also the uh, grid line grid lines to the color is to white, and instead of dotted I will select the solid. Okay, okay, so this is looking good, this visualization. Here this visualization is showing the sales amount by pizza type. Okay, so from this visualization we can analyze this hot pepper uh, type of pizza has the highest sales amount. Okay, and the chicken feast or chicken leg piece or pizza, uh, these are the has the lowest sales amount. Okay, so from this we can find out or analyze the uh, popular pizza type. Okay, uh, okay, so okay, so our next visualization is going to be target and sales amount by date. So for this I'll use a clustered bar chart. Okay, I will use clustered bar chart to compare the target and sales amount. Okay, so date and y-axis, and uh, date into y-axis, and sales amount and target x-axis. Okay, so here generally here I want to see the target and target of a pizza. Okay, sales, or the how much uh, how much for this specific type of pizza, how much sales are expected. Okay, so and the amount that have been uh, earned by, okay, the actual amount, or the say actual sales amount for this pizza type. So I want to compare the target versus I want to compare the target and sales amount for a specific pizza type and for a specific date. Okay, for here date, here I need to, okay, here we need to work in this model view, and we need to connect these different data table. Okay, or these different we need to make connections between them. So uh, let's first use wait with take. Okay, okay, okay. And uh, state with branch. Okay, now let's see and go to our report view section. Okay, now we are getting actual value. Okay, after making successful connection between these uh, data tables. Okay, so sometimes the connection or this report is very important, because without this successful or perfect connection, we will not get our desired output here. So now we are uh, getting this uh, target amount versus sales amount. Okay, for specific date and for uh, okay, like in December 15, we are getting uh, more than say our sales amount is greater than our target amount. Okay, so this is good for business. Okay, okay. Now what I will be doing is remove this background, remove this background, and I'll set the title text color as white. Okay, and the size to 18, and alignment as center. Okay, and the legend, I'll set the color as white, and the text is as 13, or okay, let's set it default. uh, Grid lines, I want to use the color as white, and instead of dotted I want to use solid. Okay, now let's go to x-axis, and here change the values color to white, and increase the size to 13, and in y-axis do the same thing, color to white, and uh, text size to 13. Okay, now here I have facing I have faced a problem uh, that uh, canvas is smaller. Okay, or this our visualization is not getting fitted here. So we need to increase the width of canvas. Okay, so increase the width. I'll set it as 14 1400 pixel. Okay, I want to increase it more. Let's make it 1500. Okay, okay. Besides this visualization to look our dashboard more attractive. Okay, uh, okay, okay. So this is our ultimate dashboard. Uh, we can do one more thing to make looking this dashboard more beautiful. Okay, okay. So for this, let's insert a shape, this straight line. Okay, and set this as like this. Okay, change this shape color uh, in style. Okay, as black. Sorry, in uh, border as black. Okay, and increase the width to, and sorry, white. Let's see the this color as white. Okay, white is more preferable. Okay, for this dashboard. Now copy this straight line and paste again, and now set this to this in this position. Okay, here uh, again copy this, again paste it. Now change this rotation, uh, 90 degrees. Okay, and now increase this size, and copy this and paste it and set it here, set it to this position. Okay, so now our dashboard is looking more attractive and beautiful, right? So this is our ultimate dashboard. So I think we have learned so many things in this tutorial. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching till now. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.